Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tech, and today we are going to talk about the Realme GT2 Pro. I was waiting for this phone from a long time, and today we will discuss its full specs. So be sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. So the Realme GT series is one of the best series of the phones in the Realme. And today we're going to discuss about the Realme GT Pro. The main highlights of this phone is they are using a 6.7 Full HD Plus display, 50 megapixel camera, and the Snapdragon 8 Generation 1, the newly launched Snapdragon chipset, and also with a 5000 mAh battery. The phone is announced and to be released on January 2021, and they are using the dual SIM technology. Now let's talk about the display. They are using a Super AMOLED 120Hz display with a PPI density of 393, and also the resolution is kept on Full HD Plus. We will see this display in future when the phone is launched. They are using the Android 12. That's mean in the January 2022, the phone will launch with the Android 12 and the Realme UI 3.0. But I am far more happier than I thought that this phone will launch and with the Snapdragon 8 Generation 1, the most fastest and the most powerful processor yet to be launched. They are using the Adreno 730 GPU. I will make another full video on this chipset. So now let's talk about the memory. There is no SD card slot because this phone is flagship, but there is a ton of the variant of this phone. The peak variant is 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Wow! And the base variant is 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And also the storage will be running on UFS 3.1. That means you got this is a bigger read and write speeds. There is also a triple camera setup. The main camera is the 50 megapixel f-aperture of 1.8 and also the 50 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and there is only 2 megapixel of macro camera. I'm a little disappointed to not see a telephoto lens on this phone because I was hoping they will give a telephoto in this phone because it's a flagship phone. The video kept on 4K up to 30 fps, 1080p up to 240 fps. That means you get to see the slow motion in 1080p also. The selfie camera kept on 32 megapixel with the aperture of 2.5, and the video has kept on 1080p up to 30 fps. That is the big camera on the Realme GT2 Pro. The sound though, wow! I'm so happy they gave the 3.5mm headphone jack because this is awesome. This is so much fun to watch that this flagship has 3.5mm headphone jack because it's so much easier for the gamers. And also the loudspeaker with the stereo speakers and support Dolby Atmos technology. And they are using 6.1 Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth version of 5.2. There is also NFC port and the USB Type-C 2.0. The sensor, they are using the fingerprint under display optical sensor. But the big difference in the battery, the 5000 mAh battery with a fast charging of 65 watt. That means your phone will charge fast and live longer. So that was the specs of the Realme GT2 Pro. If you like this video, then a sub to the channel will be real great. And also press the bell icon and comment down below and let me know of your thoughts. So it's Tech, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.